Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to add music on your Instagram story. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily add music on Instagram story with the help of the music option on your sticker. Let me show you how. Tap open your Instagram application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, go to the upper left corner and tap on Story. Or you can simply go to your profile picture at the bottom right and tap on the plus button at the upper right corner. From the options, tap on Story, and from your camera screen, go ahead and take a picture you want to upload in your story. Let me just click a random picture over here, and you can go ahead and choose a filter for your post. And once you do that, you'll need to go to the sticker button at the upper part of the screen right here. And once you do that, you'll be able to see the music option from the sticker drawer. Simply tap on music. Now you've opened a library of thousands of songs you can search for. Tap on the search music and search for a particular song by simply typing it in, or you can select one from the For You tab, or tap on Browse at the upper right and select a music from the categories displayed. Go ahead and tap on the music you want to select for your story. And once you do that, you can select a certain part of the music from the bottom of the screen by moving the slider. Once you're sure you want to post a particular part, go ahead and tap on Done at the upper right corner. This is your preview for your story. As you can see that the music has been added. Go ahead and send the story to one of your friends by tapping on Send To, or simply post it to your stories by tapping on your story at the bottom left. That way you can easily add music on Instagram story. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.